Hello everyone, so today we're going to learn how to translate a document from Microsoft Word directly. So this option is available in the latest Microsoft 365. So here's my document that I want to translate. So before, what I used to do, I used to copy this document and go on Google Translate and paste it here, and as you can see here, I need to choose a language that I want to translate. So let's say I will choose French. So as you can see here, my message has been translated. So if I want to translate a document, for example, I can click on the translate.google.com, and here I will upload my document. Here you can browse from your computer and upload your document from any format that you can see here, and then you upload it and it will translate the document. But now we can translate it directly on Word. So here's my Word document. So what I need to do is I need to click on review, as you can see here, and go on translate. So I click on translate. You will see translate selection or translate document. If you want to translate the whole document, you click on translate document directly, or if you want to translate part of the document, that is translate a section of it, so you click on translate selection. So what will happen here, everything that you will highlight will come here. So it will auto detect the language, and here I have already chosen French to convert it. So as you can see here, the language has been converted to French. So there are many other languages that you can convert. So it's a new option which is quite interesting. So if I click on insert here, you will see that the insert button here, it acts as a paste. So whatever I have selected, it will replace it. So as you can see here, if I click on insert, it has replaced the English version that I had before. So if I don't want that to happen, if I want it to appear just below it, so I just need to click it like this and click on insert, and it will paste just below it. So I have my English version here and I have my French version here. So everything that I am going to select will appear here. So if I'm going to select all this here, so my message here, as you can see, everything has been translated. If I don't want to keep this message, so I will click on insert, it will replace it directly. Or if I want to keep the previous message which was in English, so I will just click here, so unselect everything that I had selected before, and I click here and click on insert here, and my message with the other language will be pasted here. So of course you have to read it first before proceeding, because everything is not perfect when translating from one language to another. So this is a simple way how you can translate your document from one language to another. So thank you everyone.